All right, guys, it's Brad of All Trades, and the other day I blew out my fucking bearings. I blew out, look at this fucking wheel on my crazy cart. Today I'm gonna be adding some new wheels. Look at that motherfucker. I was like, no, now I gotta walk home. So in the meantime, I put little dinky skateboard wheels on there, but I don't know, I don't think they're gonna ride very well. I haven't even gotten a chance to test ride it with the skateboard wheels before Amazon already sent me new wheels. And these are a lot softer. I hope they're gonna be okay. So first we're gonna wanna get an Allen right here and take apart this axle right here and then slide it out to get the wheel out. And that's gonna be a Hex 5, and on the back side it already has a locking bolt, so you don't have to have two Allens. So take this off of here. Pop the axle out, and there's gonna be two spacers on the side, and the spacers, I only for some reason had two spacers. I didn't have four spacers, so I hope that I'm gonna I hope that it's gonna work out right. If I don't have the right, might have to jimmy rig some fucking spacers. We'll see. Hopefully I got the right ones. So put the axle in, then the spacer, then slide the wheel on. But you also gotta align the stupid, I don't know what that shit's called in the middle, but you gotta align. Damn, let's see if this spacer will even fit. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna work, guys. Yeah, I think it's gonna work actually. All right, so I got the axle in and the two spacers. I actually think this is gonna work for me. Yeah. All right, now screw this bad boy back in. Actually, it might work out just fine. I got the black wheel on, black and red, and I think it looks sick, and it fits just perfect. Yes. Okay, let's remove the other one. All right, guys. So basically, same thing for the other one. Hopefully, you can see that. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's got a good angle. All right, so pull this Allen out of here. Slide the. All right, so I pulled the Allen out of the other one. I'm gonna do both of them now. So pull this out, the axle. I think it's called the axle. Please correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Please, please, please. See, these are the original spacers that it's supposed to be. Somehow I'm using like the inside of a bearing, I think, on that side, and then a spacer on this side. But I'm not positive. Ooh, they spin so nice. All right, then first axle, then spacer, then wheel. All right, guys, so I got the axle on and the spacer. Now I'm gonna gently put this wheel in here. Oh yeah, I gotta fucking fix that thing in the middle. See if I can't get it to work. Oh, I got it. Now slide this other one in here. It's so hard to slide that last spacer in there. All right, then this last spacer, you're gonna have to make sure, see how it's not really aligned? No, just get it. Oh, there we go, just like that. Then put your bolt back in. All right, guys, that was actually too easy. Oh yeah. All right, that was actually super easy. I hope this video might help anybody if they're trying to change theirs. And these wheels, I think, were like, I don't know, 20 bucks or something, 25 bucks, 22 bucks, something cheap. But I think they're gonna do me good compared to, let's see, the stock wheel. Same size and everything, just I believe they're softer, hopefully. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching. Oh damn, of course. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much everybody for all the love and support. Toodaloo.